Hello everyone. Every coding language has its convention. Today we're going to talk about the conventions in Go. But before that, I'll recommend this book, Head First Go by J. McGavin. You can go through this book, it is quite interesting and you can understand all the concepts in detail. Okay, so now I'll create a folder. Let me just name it hello. Inside it I'll create a file hello.go. All Go files have the extension .go. And as we all know, they begin with the package and a name. Now I can name this package anything I want, but I'll name it hello because conventions say so. Convention says that the package name should be the name of the folder containing it. Now this is inside the hello folder, so I'll name this package hello. This will help me. I won't have to remember different names. I just know that I have to import a package from here, then I can simply put a dot and call the public methods from just typing in hello dot. Like we have seen in the previous video, I did the fmt dot and I could see all the public methods inside fmt. Now you must be wondering where this fmt comes from. These are all the packages that are installed when you're installing Go. They go inside your Go root. Just browse through it, like in c/go. If you haven't changed the default location, you'll find it in c/go. Inside Go, just go inside src and type in cmd. Okay, so it already has a cmd folder. I'll have to type in again to open my command prompt. Now I wish to go to my src, so I just go back and type in code and space and a dot. Now VS Code will open in that location. See, as these are all the inbuilt packages, Buffio, Byte, CMD and everything. You can see that if I click on a file, you can see the package name is Buffio, which is the folder name. If I open this one, it is also Buffio, which is the folder name. Now let us find our favorite package, FMT. Here it is. Now if I open this, you can see that this also has the it is way too down. This also has the package FMT. We have the errors package. Now errors package would have the package name error, package errors, the same as the folder. Now what are these green parts you see? These are comments in Go. Comments are made by using a double // and comments are essential for others to understand your code, and sometimes even for you can, in case you forget, if the code is too complex and you might not remember everything, so you can just go through your comment over your code and you'll understand what it is doing. Like for example, this one prints a hello world, so I'll just say prints hello world. So the next time I see the header over here, I just understand this function prints a hello world. This is quite a simple function that you can simply understand by seeing it. But what if it's not? Then you need these comments. So it's just better to comment every function which you make. And the next thing is that declaring variable names and constant names and function names. So if I write a func and test, there is a rule for declaring this name. You have to use camel casing. Now what is camel casing? Camel casing says that the first word should be all in small cases, and the next word, if there is any, then it should start with the capital letter. So test for Go would be written like this. F and G would be capital. Only the first word would be all in smaller cases. This is the way to write a camel casing word. And now all variables, constants and functions should be named in this way. Now if you want a function that should be public, then you'll have to write func test for Go. So all the first letters of the word would be capital. This will be all for this video. Thank you for watching.